welcome back to the channel. I'm really happy to see you here again. If you enjoy discovering the latest cars and motorcycles before everyone else, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upcoming review. Now, let's check out the all-new 2027 Honda NS150GX, a premium maxi scooter that is getting a lot of attention across Asian markets, thanks to its stylish design, modern technology, and practical everyday performance. The 2027 Honda NS150GX is not just another 150cc scooter. Honda has designed this model to compete in the growing premium scooter segment by combining sporty styling with comfort and advanced features that you normally expect from much larger and more expensive machines. Inspired by the Honda Forza and Honda PCX, the NS150GX has a bold crossover appearance that instantly makes it stand out on the road. The wide front fascia, aggressive LED lighting, aerodynamic body panels, and muscular stance give it a premium look from every angle. It feels like a scooter that belongs in a higher category, and that's one of its biggest selling points. Powering the new NS150GX is a 150cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled 4-valve ESP Plus engine. Honda's ESP Plus technology is already known for delivering smooth performance, better fuel efficiency, and refined engine operation. This engine produces around 15.5 horsepower along with 14.4 Newton-meters of torque at 6,500 RPM. Those figures may not sound huge on paper, but for a scooter in this class, they are more than enough to provide strong city acceleration and comfortable highway cruising. Whether you're riding through heavy traffic or taking a weekend trip outside the city, the engine should feel responsive and smooth. The scooter is capable of reaching a top speed of approximately 125 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for urban commuting as well as longer highway rides. One thing Honda always focuses on is refinement, and the NS150GX continues that tradition. Riders can expect minimal vibration, smooth throttle response, and quiet engine operation that makes every journey more enjoyable. Fuel economy is another area where this scooter performs very well. Honda claims an average fuel efficiency of around 43 kilometers per liter. Combined with its 8-liter fuel tank, riders can expect an impressive riding range before needing to refuel. That means fewer stops at petrol stations and lower running costs, making it an excellent option for daily commuters and people who travel frequently. One of the biggest highlights of the 2027 Honda NS150GX is its technology package. Honda has equipped this scooter with several premium features that are rarely seen in the 150cc scooter category. The most unique feature is the factory-installed front dash camera. Instead of buying an aftermarket dash cam, riders get a built-in journey recorder directly from the factory. This camera can record your rides and allows footage to be downloaded through a dedicated smartphone application. It's a useful feature for documenting road trips and can also be valuable in case of accidents or insurance claims. Another impressive feature is the tire pressure monitoring system, also known as TPMS. The digital display shows real-time tire pressure information, helping riders maintain proper tire inflation. Correct tire pressure improves safety, handling, tire life, and fuel economy, so having this information available at all times is a big advantage. The fully digital instrument panel looks modern and provides all the important information clearly. Along with speed, fuel level, trip information, and other riding data, riders can also monitor the TPMS readings directly on the screen. The layout is clean, easy to read, and perfectly matches the premium personality of the scooter. When it comes to safety, Honda has not cut any corners. The NS150GX comes equipped with dual-channel ABS, which provides anti-lock braking on both the front and rear wheels. This greatly improves braking confidence, especially on wet or slippery roads. In addition to ABS, Honda also includes a traction control system. This feature helps reduce wheel spin during hard acceleration on low-grip surfaces, giving riders extra confidence in difficult road conditions. Having both dual-channel ABS and traction control on a 150cc scooter is something that really makes this model stand out from many competitors. Comfort has also received plenty of attention. The seat height of 766 millimeters makes the scooter accessible for riders of different heights, allowing most people to place their feet comfortably on the ground when stopped. The riding position is relaxed with plenty of legroom, making long rides much less tiring. The wide seat is designed for both rider and passenger comfort, while the large front fairing also offers decent wind protection during higher speed rides. Honda has chosen a 14-inch front wheel and a 13-inch rear wheel, offering a nice balance between stability and agility. The larger front wheel improves confidence over rough roads, while the rear setup keeps handling responsive in city traffic. Whether navigating narrow streets or cruising on open roads, the scooter should feel stable and predictable. Practicality is another strong point. The under-seat storage compartment is spacious enough for daily essentials and includes a damping mechanism that prevents the seat from slamming shut. This small detail makes everyday use much more convenient. Riders also get both Type A and Type C USB charging ports, allowing smartphones, navigation devices, or other electronics to stay charged while riding. This is a feature many riders now expect, and Honda has delivered exactly that. Lighting is fully LED throughout the scooter. The integrated Class D LED headlights provide bright illumination, while also giving the front end a sharp, futuristic appearance. The LED lighting not only improves visibility at night, but also enhances the premium styling of the NS150GX. Looking at the overall package, Honda has clearly designed this scooter for riders who want something more premium than a traditional commuter scooter. It combines attractive styling, impressive technology, excellent fuel economy, strong safety equipment, and everyday practicality into one well-balanced machine. The crossover-inspired design also gives it a unique identity that separates it from many conventional scooters currently available in the market. The 2027 Honda NS150GX has already started gaining popularity in markets like China and Singapore, where riders appreciate its modern features and premium quality. Considering everything Honda has included, it's easy to understand why this scooter is receiving so much attention. If Honda expands availability into more international markets, the NS150GX could become one of the strongest competitors in the premium 150cc maxi-scooter segment. It offers the latest technology without sacrificing reliability, comfort, or efficiency, which has always been one of Honda's biggest strengths. Overall, I think the 2027 Honda NS150GX is an excellent choice for riders looking for a stylish, feature-packed, fuel-efficient, and comfortable scooter for both daily commuting and weekend adventures. It successfully blends premium design with real-world practicality, making it one of the most exciting scooters in its class. The expected starting price is around US $4,900, although the final price will vary depending on the country, taxes, and local registration costs.